The girl them skill arty. Thunderball, some give it up, some give it up.
This is a door alarm for the smart robber who comes in the middle of the night. First, the door opens, which breaks the bond between the tape and the ball goes down the pink string all the way down to the stack of books, in which case it hits the books, causing this silver ball to fall off the back here. And then when that falls off the back, it's connected to a string all the way down the line, which goes through the didgeridoo and up the didgeridoo and connects to this little 1 pound weight here. So when the ball goes down here off the edge, it pulls this down the didgeridoo. When that goes down the didgeridoo, it falls into this green cup. The green cup is attached to a string, which is attached up here to a little ramp. It pulls the ramp so much that it causes the 1 pound weight here to fall down the ramp. It rotates on the fulcrum right here so that the center of balance changes and that the weight can go all the way down, which goes into this little cup here, which is attached to a string going around to the kitchen. Now in the kitchen, in the meantime, the fan is going on at the whole night. While the fan's going on, there's a little green flap that's stopping the fan from causing the ball to roll down and off the ledge. But while the green flap is going, no air can get by it. However, when this green thing is pulled by the pink string over here, it causes an opening to occur, and then the air can get through, causing the ball to roll down onto the tennis racket. Now the tennis racket is lightly taped to the island here, and when the tennis racket falls down, these two things right here, one of which is attached to the island counter and the other of which is loosely attached to the tennis racket, will come apart. And when they come apart, an alarm will go off.
Bad boys, what you want?